How to align images on Wix. To align them, you need to click on these tools and make sure that your grid lines as well as your rulers are turned on. This will help you to actually align it more thoroughly. So you can head over and then just put it wherever you want. Click on the particular image and you can put them at any place you want it to be. And you can also see in here some pink lines as well as orange line on where it was aligned. Another option is if you have right here product, image, or gallery, you can head over and click on a particular gallery. And when you click on it, you can see display settings right here. And then onto the settings, you can see the Wix Pro Gallery, and you can see in here the layout and a lot more. So you can click on the settings in here again, and you can also expand it if you want to as well. Another option is to just right click on it, and you can see in here this option called stretch. Once you have click on stretch, click on the stretch to full width, and it will stretch the particular image to full width, and that way it was aligned on 3 by 3. So that's how you align images on Wix. Help!